Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Sangma Habakran berkinong thok khobor halor ke jingmi ki jing Dawa Pisa naga seng Hnlc ula ong ka sorkar kan ailat yakum kini ki kambe an ula benrap dak baong bangidon hakakam ban pet bakum kini ki jing Dawa Pisa kin jashu bat dei ban penkut shisendon khnang baki pat ba Kajala kin syakta Menteri Rangba ule thu manakalyang ka sorkar hadin bakala yo ajing tep halor kani marmar ki Pulit Kajala kila Jingshimkhia banlat na kinu-kinu gijing penkul mare ki ba. Ula benrap da kabaong baki Pulit kile yala ka kamram bat kumba kapau ka jing Dawa Pisa kala Duna baha banyan nujor bat kisnam baladab. Ula ongru baha gajing yakran yasuk bat ke Hnlc ka sorkar kala kran syai bahkan sange ya kinu-kinu ki kam Dawa Pisa namar hakisnam baladab ru kidon kum kini ki jing jah.
Challenges will always be there. If there are no challenges, then there is no work. So incidents will happen. It's a part of process, society, governance, whatever you may call it. And so there's never going to be a situation where challenges will not be there. Not just for our government, for any government for the matter of fact. What is important is to be able to take corrective measures and actions to put things in place. And whether it is the regrouping that you're mentioning, 3 people have been arrested and 3 more are, we'll look out for 3 more of them, which we are very sure we'll be able to catch them. Overall law and order situation, if you look at it, has been peaceful. Incidents happen there, sporadic incidents happen there, there's no doubt about it. But these happen because we are living in a very complex society with many different complications that are there. But as I said, what is important is to be able to maintain the overall balance and to be able to maintain the overall law and order situation, which we see that in the past many years, despite of many challenges, we've still been able to large extent maintain the law and order in this state.